Hello?
Motorized wheelchairs, often called power chairs, increase the mobility and quality of life of persons with disabilities. However, they aren't designed to accommodate certain routine tasks in a user-oriented manner. A community member, Gilda, reached out to explain a common problem she was noticing.
I was noticing in the community that a lot of people had bags of groceries and things hanging from the back of their wheelchairs or on the handles or whatever at the back. They couldn't get at them when they got home. Care workers started to tell me too that they were coming in and unloading groceries that had been there for hours. And I thought if there was only just some way that people could get into their bag once they got home, and that's what kind of started this whole process.
We worked with Gilda over the next 8 months to develop MobilArm, a retractable, user-operated assistive device designed for power chairs. The weatherproof metal housing holds the various gear shafts in place and attaches via a receiver to a common brand of power chair. It can swing 270 degrees, allowing convenient access to carried goods when needed, without increasing the functional width of the wheelchair. The motion is driven by the user via a handle on the side. A belt drives a worm gear, which only permits user-driven motion, otherwise locking the system in place. This, via another pair of gears, rotates the upper arm. In order to keep the design user-oriented, we consulted with Gilda on the interface of the device throughout the design process.
The girls came out and showed me the first prototype. I think that was the first time we actually discussed what I could actually manage, like how the strength that I have and the motor, the coordination that I have and everything, how it would work.
The design is now complete, with our prototype currently being machined in a few local shops. Several components of the arm itself, shown here, are complete, with the housing and attachment systems still under construction. The full assembly will be complete in early summer and installed on Gilda's power chair. Though prototyping costs are not reflective of consumer pricing should this device be produced at scale, the team has managed to keep the materials cost below $1,000 and, with the help from our sponsors, machining costs around $300.
It'll allow me to maintain my independence. Even as simple as you have a Christmas present and you're going somewhere for Christmas, and you can give it to the person. I think this really adds to people that are ill independence.